Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the bus service in Jamaica. Now, the government is purchasing more buses for the JUTC fleet. Now, in Jamaica, the main form of transportation is the roads. We don't have a train service to carry people, passengers, and we don't even have a domestic air service to fly people around the island. So it's the roads that are the main transportation route. So the bus service, the JUTC, it's the government bus service that is the main bus service in Jamaica. So the bus system in Jamaica, it's a work in progress. They are trying to get away from the diesel buses and to more electric buses. They actually have one electric bus up and running now, and they plan to purchase more as time goes on. So out of these 70 new buses, 5 will be electric. And the JUTC, even with these 70 buses, is still going to need more. But it's definitely a move in the right direction to get more buses. Alright, so the government put out an article recently. So we're just going to go through it to give you guys an update on what's going on with the JUTC. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is to receive 50 additional buses, 45 diesel and 5 electric by month end. Additionally, 20 compressed natural gas (CNG) fuel units will be added to the fleet under a joint arrangement with private sector partners. These are expected by September. Minister of Transport and Mining, Honorable Audley Shaw, made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2023-24 sectorial debate in the House of Representatives. We are currently engaged in a battery electric bus pilot project for the testing of 6 electric buses, which will evaluate the performance of these electric buses and form the basis for comparison to the diesel and compressed natural gas buses, Mr. Shaw said. As a matter of fact, 1 electric bus is already in operation. As we take steps to address the number of seats needed to transport commuters, we are expecting to procure 200 electric buses over the next 2 years, among other initiatives being explored, he added. Mr. Shaw also informed that the JUTC has digitized its process to facilitate application for charters and sub-franchise licenses, pointing out that an online portal was launched by the company in February this year. He noted that this is a major step towards making the entity's services more accessible and the process more user-friendly. Persons who are interested in applying for charters or sub-franchise license may visit the JUTC's website at www.jutc.gov.jm and make the necessary arrangements and pay for the service online, the minister stated. Meanwhile, Mr. Shaw said that the current fare collection system used by the JUTC has been obsolete. He informed that the procurement process for an upgraded cashless fare collection system was significantly advanced. However, it was redirected for public consideration by the Public Investment Appraisal Branch. A pilot project where the system is operating on all the JUTC buses at no cost to the people of Jamaica is to be implemented. The outcome of this pilot will assist the process of review by the PIAB and further guide the way forward, Mr. Shaw said. Regarding the matter of fuel pilferage, the minister noted that for more than 2 decades the matter has been an issue for the JUTC. We are pursuing new methods to combat the innovative means by which thieves have been pilfering fuel. Without divulging too much due to the sensitivity and security issues around this matter, we are working with a local company to introduce a technology-based solution that will assist us in detecting, locating, and tracking fuel theft where it occurs, Mr. Shaw indicated. So that's the end of the article. So a lot is going on with the JUTC, but I guess one of the most important things is the electric buses. Because if you have a fleet of electric buses, then that will definitely take care of your fuel theft problem, because you will no longer be using fuel for the buses. And the electric buses will be far more cost effective. So as far as they have indicated, the pilot project with the first electric bus is going well. It's doing well. The bus is on the road. They actually had the bus on display outside of Parliament one day, and the bus is up and running. And so far, from all the indications, the project is doing well. So the additional 5 buses should be here, I think I said by the end of the month. So hopefully they get them into service very soon, and hopefully things work out well and they get those 200 more buses. Alright guys, today we're driving on the Portmore Expressway. We just went through the toll plaza, so we're driving from Portmore towards Kingston. This is the Portmore Expressway, one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. It's 6 lanes, one of the few 6-lane roads we have in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.